Assalamu alaikum. This is your English teacher, Ms. Mehek Fatma, and I hope you all are doing well and staying at home. This is our second lecture of English Literature, Grade 6. Take out your novels, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. What we were studying before this, chapter number 4, Bad Dreams. Okay, if you want to review what was in the last topic, you can go through my last video, lecture number 1 of this topic. We're going to start another topic, that is Tom is unwell. This is the last topic of chapter 4, Bad Dreams. Let's take out page number 27 of your novel. Take pencil in your hand so that you can mark difficult words. Okay, let's read it together. Tom is unwell. Tom's awful secret kept him awake for a long time after this. At breakfast one morning, Sid said, "Tom, you move around and talk in your sleep so much that you keep me awake." Tom went wide and looked at the floor. "It's a bad sign," Aunt Polly said. "What is worrying you, Tom?" Nothing I know of." But his hand shook so that he spilled his coffee. यहाँ तक क्या हुआ? That Tom अपने सीक्रेट की वजह से, जो वो किसी को बता नहीं सक रहा था, that what actually happened in that graveyard, what they saw there, वो कुछ बता नहीं पा रहा था, जिसकी वजह से, और गलत इंसान को सज़ा मिल रही थी, जिसकी वजह से वो कई दिनों तक सो नहीं पा रहा था। एक ब्रेकफास्ट, एक मॉर्निंग पे सिड ने टॉम से कहा that you टॉक इन योर स्लीप, तुम इतनी बात करते हो सोते हुए जैसे मैं सो नहीं पाता हूँ। आंट पॉली ने कहा, ये तो बहुत गलत बात है, कुछ तो हुआ है टॉम। टॉम ने कहा, नहीं कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, बट हिज हैंड्स वर शेकिंग और उससे कॉफी गिर जाती है। आफ्टर दैट, एंड यू डू से सच फनी थिंग्स, went on Sid. "Last night you said, it's blood, that's what it is. You said that over and over. And you said, don't hurt me, I'll tell." "Tell what? What is it you'll tell?" Tom began to feel faint. Goodness knows what might have happened if Aunt Polly hadn't come to Tom's rescue. Without really knowing it, it's that awful murder. I dream about it nearly every night myself. Sometimes I dream that I did it," she said. Mary said she had bad dreams too. Sid seemed satisfied. अच्छा, यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? That Sid was Again he was saying कि तुम तो बहुत अजीब सी बातें करते हो नींद में। लास्ट नाइट तुम कह रहे थे मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया, नींद में तुम कह रहे थे कि इट्स ब्लड, मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया, और अगेन एंड अगेन यू वर सेइंग कि मैं बताता हूँ। तो व्हाट वाज दैट ऑल? अब जो है टॉम बिल्कुल फेंट होने लग गया था। ही वॉज लाइक टू बी इन दैट फेज जहाँ वो बेहोशी की हालत में जाने लगा था। इतने में आंट पॉली ने इस सिचुएशन को संभाला एंड शी स्टार्टेड टेलिंग अबाउट हर ड्रीम्स, बैड ड्रीम्स, एंड शी सेड कि मैंने भी बहुत सारे बैड ड्रीम्स देखे हैं। मैरी कहती हैं आई हैव ऑल्सो सीन्ड बैड ड्रीम्स टू। अब यहाँ पर आके सिड थोड़ा सा सेटिस्फाई होता है कि ठीक है चलो ये उसका एक बैड ड्रीम था। आफ्टर दैट टॉम सैड ही हैड टू टेक He tied up his jaws every night for a week. that would stop him talking in his sleep. He thought he never knew that Sid watched him every night. He never knew that Sid watched him every night. He often slipped the bandage free and leaned close to Tom to listen to what he said. Then he put the bandage back again. If Sid managed to make any sense out of Tom's word, he never told anyone. Every day Tom went to the window of the village prison house to give the murderer some food or some other small gifts. It made Tom feel better helping Muff Potter in this way. Tom now had other things on his mind. Becky Tatter had stopped coming to school even though she refused to speak to him. Tom still liked her a lot. After that क्या हुआ कि उसके बाद टॉम ने अपने आप को इस तरह से सबके सामने प्रेजेंट किया दैट उससे दांत में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है और उसने अपने हेड को बांध दिया था, जॉज को टाई अप कर लिया था। हर रात को वो ऐसे ही करता था। इसके अलावा वो मर्डरर को प्रिजन में जाके गिफ्ट देता था, खाने देता था, सो दैट ही कैन फील बेटर इन दैट वे। बेकी रेजर वॉज अ फ्रेंड जो कि उससे बात नहीं कर रही थी, स्कूल नहीं आ रही थी, मगर अब भी टॉम स्टिल लाइक्ड हर अ लॉट. He couldn't bear to think of her being sick. What if she should die? He no longer enjoyed playing with the other boys, and his aunt began to get worried about him. She tried all sorts of medicines on him. She gave him cold baths, then hot baths, but he still looked pale and unhappy. She heard of her new medicine called painkiller, so she decided to try this on poor Tom. Tom soon had enough of all these medicines. He thought that if he pretended to like painkiller, his aunt might leave him alone for a while. He asked for it so often that she finally told him to help himself. She watched the bottle and the medicine really did disappear. What she did not know was that Tom was pouring it into a crack in the sitting room floor. One morning Tom got to school very early. He waited at the school gate instead of going to play with his friends. He was sick, he said, and he looked it. He seemed to be looking everywhere, but he was really looking down the road. टॉम उस चीज़ को बैकी के लिए नहीं सोच सकता था दैट वो बीमार होगी या कुछ भी होगा. इसके साथ साथ हिज आंट वाज गिविंग हिम बाथ्स, मेडिसिन्स एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. ये सब कुछ साथ साथ चल रहा था. एंड वन डे व्हेन ही वेंट टू स्कूल, ही वेंट अर्ली and he was not going in the school, he was out and standing on the road. Okay? Soon Jeff Tasher, Becky's brother, came inside, but Becky was not with him. Tom turned sadly away and went into the empty schoolhouse to think. After a short while he looked out of the window and saw her in the yard. At once he ran outside and began shouting and laughing with other boys. He did everything he could to make her notice him, but she never looked his way. He went closer, took a boy's hat and threw it up onto the schoolhouse roof. Then he ran through a group of boys and fell over, nearly knocking Becky down. She turned her back on him and walked to the other side of the yard. As she went, he heard her say, "Some people think they are very clever, always showing off." Tom's face turned red. He picked himself up and walked out the yard away from school. He felt very unhappy. Becky was very unhappy with him. और टॉम ने हर वो चीज़ की so that he can make Becky notice about that he is also there. He did everything whatever he can, लेकिन Becky ने उसकी तरफ बिल्कुल भी ध्यान नहीं दिया. That make him very unhappy. Here your topic ends. ठीक है? Let's move towards, but before that I hope you all understand this chapter, and here your homework is instructions for your homework, do your work in literature copy, do your work with black pen and blue ink pen, make a pictorial title page and make your index properly, do the given word meanings. Here your word meanings are snore, howl, horn, grave robbers, awake, sigh. Snore, grunting sound in a person's breathing while they are asleep. Howl is bark, honors, high respect, grave robbers, a person who steals valuable items or dead bodies from graves or tombs. Awake, wake up, sigh, groans. ओके ये आपको अपनी कॉपी में करना होगा. पहले टाइटल पेज बनाइएगा, इंडेक्स बनाइएगा एंड देन उसके बाद आप वर्ड मीनिंग्स करेंगे. ठीक है. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.